going through lockdown. This is the state in Bangalore. There have been a couple or three unlock phases happening in Bangalore, but this is the current corona situation in Bangalore. You can see a highly populated city like Bangalore. The roads are completely deserted. People are scattered just here and there, a few of them. And currently I am at MG Road, which is one of the commercial hubs in Bangalore. And this place is bustling with people all throughout the year. You can see even the footpaths are barring a few of the corporate employees who have no other option but to work from office. You can see it's completely deserted. Walking through the ICC Bank corporate headquarters in Bangalore. This is the Bangalore Central Mall Road. But you can see it's completely deserted. People are no longer here to buy or do the shopping. This is civil code in Bangalore. Let's take a shortcut to Bangalore Central. Like you can see, it's completely deserted. No people. People are usually seen being seated in this public utility. But like you can see, it's completely deserted. Just the hospitality staff have been doing their job accordingly, cleaning the surrounding areas. So we are going through the military area in Bangalore, where all the recruitment happens. This is one of the major recruitment zones of Indian Army. This is the suburb of MG Road, where you have a lot of corporate offices in and around the road. But like you can say, there are a few vehicles here and there, a few public transport buses, a few private cars, but this place has been hustling and bustling with people. I don't know when this pandemic situation is going to be over, but until then it's like a totally different story of Bangalore and India, the second most populated country in the world. You can see most of the commercial buildings are all deserted, barring a few of them. People are slowly and steadily getting back to the work, but things are still uncertain, knowing the growing number of cases of coronavirus patients. You can still see these roads are used to be hustling and bustling with people, but there is traffic. There are still people around, going around with their work, but it used to be like a loggerhead. There wasn't any space to even move around during the normal days. So right now going to St. Patrick's Church. You see the church on the other side of the road. That's the St. Patrick's Church. Just to see a street vendors here and there. We have no other option but to carry on with their daily businesses. Otherwise it's really hard to make a living. I'm walking through right now through the main hub of MG Road, where you have all the major banks, headquartered Citibank, ICICI banks, Kotak Mahindra, but it's completely deserted, like you can see. That's the Trinity metro station just ahead. Fortunately, metro services have been resumed, but it's only a few of them and they're working in two shifts. One is morning 8 to evening 4, and then you have between evening 4 to evening 8 o'clock. So they're working in two shifts, and probably all metro services will be resumed after 12th of September. So this is the Kotak Mahindra banking. I can see there are very few signs of people apart from the security staff. We're walking through the Trinity metro station on MG Road. There is Punjab National Bank. So this is the commercial hub of Bangalore. There's so many businesses, so many banks, so many corporate houses around. But the ones hustling and bustling about is completely deserted. Just a small virus that can bring down the entire world to its knees. Businesses have been down, People are bent upon getting back to work, but keeping safety parameters in mind. I still don't have a complete permission from the authorities. People are still venturing out of their homes, following all the healthcare instructions. But the only way all this chaos and all this fear of the virus will be over only when the vaccine is out. So that's the most anticipated thing of 2020, the coronavirus vaccine. So that's Hotel Taj on the other side of MG Road. There's the Trinity Church right ahead. I can see, apart from pigeons and street dogs, there are a few people here and there. The ones hustling and bustling, MG Road is completely empty. So this is it. This is an update of the current coronavirus situation in Bangalore. We'll see you next time again.